Welcome back to MVP Auto Zone. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the hottest rides and futuristic designs. Today, we're diving into something that will blow your mind. Yes, it's the Bugatti RV Motorhome 2026. The future of luxury on wheels has officially arrived. Imagine the soul of a Bugatti supercar fused with the brain of a luxury yacht, and then placed on the body of a next-gen motorhome. That's exactly what Bugatti has done in 2026. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace engineered to perfection. The signature sleek lines, that iconic horseshoe grille, and futuristic LED lighting, everything about the exterior screams prestige, speed, and power, even when parked. Under the hood, this beast isn't playing games. We're talking about a quad-turbo W16 hybrid engine paired with electric motors that deliver a combined output of over 1,200 horsepower. That's right, your house can hit 0 to 60 faster than most sports cars. It's not just fast, it's the fastest luxury motorhome ever made. But let's step inside, where the real magic happens. The moment you enter, it feels like stepping into a 5-star penthouse. Premium materials like carbon fiber, Italian leather, marble flooring, and brushed aluminum surround you. Every inch of the interior has been designed to deliver absolute comfort and style. The walls, smart glass that turns from transparent to tinted with a touch. The seats, massage, heat, and recline at your command. And yes, the ceiling mimics a night sky with fiber-optic starlight. The kitchen features top-of-the-line appliances with AI-assisted cooking presets. Think built-in espresso machines, induction cooktops, and even a temperature-controlled wine cellar. In the living room, you've got a fold-out 85-inch OLED display, complete with surround sound that transforms the RV into a personal movie theater. As for the driver's cockpit, it's something out of a sci-fi movie. Full HUD display, biometric ignition, autonomous driving mode, and a steering wheel that retracts when in cruise mode. The Bugatti RV Motorhome 2026 literally drives itself while you relax in total luxury. And when it's time to rest, the bedroom comes with a king-sized bed, mood lighting, automated blinds, and even a retractable balcony deck so you can wake up to ocean views, or mountain sunrises. The bathroom, think rainfall shower, stone basin sinks, and a spa-grade ambiance. The Bugatti RV Motorhome 2026 isn't just about traveling, it's about arriving in style. It's the ultimate statement of luxury, freedom, and innovation. Whether you're on a cross-country adventure or parked cliffside overlooking the sea, this is the future of mobile living, and Bugatti just changed the game forever. Thanks for watching MVP Auto Zone. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping vehicles from the future. We'll see you on the next ride.